This is such a bad angle. But welcome back to the vlog. I didn't put up any last week. Mommy, I didn't put up a video last week. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that. So we're starting fresh. I'm going to apply some moisturizer because my face kind of dry. I just washed it. And I'm using my face cream by the Calm by Wellness. It is a broad spectrum CBD moisturizer. So let's get on with the daily activities. Latoya, what we doing today?
We're gonna get all our frustration out. Whatever we have built up inside, we're gonna take care of. Oh my god. We're gonna break some plate.
Right, so we're going to...
I have to look cute doing it though. This is a mess.
Mommy?
What happened?
You want to come on my vlog? So guys, we have a special guest.
Yes.
My mother. And if you know me, you know I always do like snaps with mommy. What's your?
In the name of frustration. In the name of... Can't get better. Come on. Yes. Good job.
Who's gonna do the cleanup?
I'm walking this up now.
It is tiring. I'm tired.
Who's gonna do the cleanup?
Hope you know, usually I ride solo. Ain't about the games, ain't got nothing on the low low. You're trying to cuff me.
Hi guys, so we're at Monkey Joe's seafood for dinner night, Monday night. Now we're going to go in and try and get seafood. Happy birthday!
Hope you know, usually I ride solo. Ain't about the games, ain't got nothing on the low low. You're trying to cuff me, you better call the popo. Let these know that's the motto. Ooh, but boy, when it comes to you, I'm hypnotized by the things.
Hi guys! So we took a walk on a trail and we found, we say it name? The tree.
That's what they call it. Located in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Foreign. Yep. They said the tree cannot be destroyed. Everything with an axe, chainsaw, any form of tool that can cut down a tree tried and failed. The tree is said to be cursed. I don't know what curse is. You know, we are Jamaican, we not get.
We're not believing in something.
But it is. There's a story behind it, so you guys can go ahead and look up The devil tree, located in Port St. Louis.
Yep, right back there's where he stayed and where he killed the people.
Who is he? What is the?
He was
I told you there's a big story behind it.
he was a county deputy sheriff back in the 70s, and back here's where he brought his victims and tortured them in these houses, and then he hung them from right there, and then he buried them underneath the tree. That's why they call it the Devil's Tree.
Oh.
Yep.
Wow.
People have tried to burn this tree. They tried cutting it down, and it won't be
Nothing
destroyed.
they can do to get it back.
Well, well, well. Should I be here? No.
That's the same
This
question
is
too.
some white people shit.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared?